Hello everyone, in this video I will share with you how to hide video on iPhone. Watch this video until the end so you understand how. Pay attention to what I click on in this video. In this video I will demonstrate how to hide several videos in this photo album. Here the video files are hidden. To make it safer, you can lock this album with a password. This is how to activate the password. Okay, now the album has been given a password. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.